Welcome back, everyone. I'm your host here, Jay, with EGJ Auto, and today we're going to be discussing the Liberty kit for the Mustang S650. The brand new 7th generation Mustang is getting a Liberty kit as well. I would expect nothing less. Looks wide, looks fantastic, looks incredible from every single angle. Not only that, but it looks incredible from every single color that Ford has to offer, from the race red to the black to the blue ember, from the dark horse. This wide body kit looks absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait to see it in person. But for now, we have these renders. I will be linking the page that provided the renders in the description down below, so make sure you all check that out so you can see each and every last render. It looks absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to see these out on the street. Personally, I will not be making this mod to my Mustang S650 because I really don't like wide body kits, but I do appreciate how they look on the new Mustang. Looks absolutely fantastic, and this might be the point where I decide to get a wide body kit for mine. As of now, I'm undecided, but I'm leaning towards a no-go on the Liberty Walk. Let me know in the comment section down below whether or not you will get the Liberty Walk on your Mustang S650. That's it for the video. Make sure to drop a like, a share, and subscribe, and I will see each and every one of you on the next one.